Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to read sentences with the sight words I like my. Let's begin. I like my new toy car. Again, I like my new toy car. Your turn. Super! I like my puppy named Max. Again, I like my puppy named Max. Your turn. Good job. I like my ice cream cone. Again, I like my ice cream cone. Your turn. You are doing wonderful. I like my big red ball. Again, I like my big red ball. Your turn. You are learning so many new words. I like my colorful blocks. Again, I like my colorful blocks. Your turn. You are doing a great job. I like my soft teddy bear. Again, I like my soft teddy bear. Your turn. Super! I like my yummy apple. Again, I like my yummy apple. Your turn. Good job. I like my cozy blanket. Again, I like my cozy blanket. Your turn. You are doing wonderful. I like my shiny shoes. Again, I like my shiny shoes. Your turn. You are learning so many new words. I like my funny hat. Again, I like my funny hat. Your turn. You are doing a great job.